Hello, welcome back, grade 3. And I hope you listen very well from our lesson today or this morning so you can answer this quiz here. So are you ready? I want you to prepare your pencil and your paper, okay? And just write the letter only write the letter of your answer. Okay, let's start with number 1. How often do you blank to the cinema? So what is the verb? How often do you blank to the cinema? A. Go, B. See, C. Visit, or D. Watch? Okay, number 2. How often do you how often do you blank shopping? A. Buy, B. Do, C. Go, or D. Go to? Okay, number 3. How often do you blank eggs for breakfast? How often do you blank eggs for breakfast? A. Cooks, B. Eaten, C. Have, or D. Swallow? You need to choose the best verb or the correct verb for each sentence. Okay, next, number 4. How often do you blank your teeth? How often do you blank your teeth? A. Cleaned, B. Brush, C. Polish, D. Whitening? Okay. Number 5. How often do you blank aerobics? How often do you blank aerobics? A. Do, B. Go, C. Play, or D. Dance? Number 6. How often do you blank the internet? How often do you blank the internet? A. Connect, B. Play, C. Surf, or D. Watch? Number 7. How often do you blank your bicycle? How often do you blank your bicycle? A. Cycle, B. Play, C. Practice, or D. Ride? Number 8. How often do you blank volleyball? A. Do, B. Go, C. Play, or D. Practice? Number 9. How often do you blank by train? A. Drive, B. Go, C. Move, or D. Travel? Okay, number 10. How often do you blank your email? How often do you blank your email? A. Check, B. Log on, C. Reply, or D. Send? Number 11. How often do you blank to Facebook? How often do you blank to Facebook? A. Check, B. Log on, C. Play, or D. Sign up? Number 12. Number 12. How often do you blank for viruses? A. Delete viruses from or in your computer, okay? A. Delete, B. Detect, C. Scan, or D. Watch? Next, 13. How often do you blank online games? How often do you blank online games? A. Log on, B. Play, C. Surf, or D. Sign up? Number 14. How often do you blank a computer? How often do you blank a computer? A. Check, B. Play, C. Surf, or D. Use. Number 15. How often do you blank fast food? How often do you blank fast food? A. Go, B. Order, C. Pay, or D. Eating. Number 16. How often do you blank your grandparents? How often do you blank your grandparents? A. Meeting, B. Saw, C. Visit, D. Wrote a letter. Okay, number 17. How often do you blank a horse? How often do you blank a horse? A. Drive, B. Eat, C. Ride, or D. Sail. Number 18. How often do you blank your shoes? How often do you blank your shoes? A. Brush, B. Polish, C. Sweep, or D. Wash. Number 19. How often do you blank before 6 a.m.? A. Get up, B. Stay up, C. Stand up, or D. Woke up. Number 20. How often do you blank your parents? A. Argue with, B. Disagree for, C. Fight on, D. Go under. So that's it. Okay, so don't forget to share your answers in our Google Classroom so I can check it. Okay, bye.